What to expect in hiring an office cleaning service. Whenever you are looking to hire an office cleaning service to address your place of work, it is essential that you have the right information. For instance, getting the wrong company might get your company robbed of all assets in just a matter of hours. Instead of putting yourself into such dangerous risks, why not take the time to do a thorough review of the company that is coming to clean up your place? By doing this, you will have gotten yourself into a much better spot, since you will not have to worry about getting robbed right under your very nose. Here are a number of things that you should expect when hiring an office cleaning service so that you don't fall into misfortunes caused by a wrong decision. What to expect in hiring an office cleaning service. First and foremost, the way you interact with the company has got a lot to do with the end result that you will get in the end, as well as the overall level of satisfaction. Are the people cheerful with the work they are doing? This can tell you a lot about the people working for you and their willingness and effort to do a good job of cleaning your entire office. Whenever you hire a cleaning service to come do work for you, remember to do a background check on the internet first. This will give you an impartial view of their work and the services that they have to offer. Additionally, you will know which other clients the company has worked for, thus giving you a chance to know what kind of work they do without even having to contact them first. Qualifications of the office cleaning company. Secondly, consider the experience that the cleaning company has had under their belt. Have they worked on different scales of projects? Do they come to work with the right set of equipment, or do they have to keep sending back vans to fetch the things they forgot? This can really help you see into how the so-called experts actually carry out their work. More experienced cleaning service companies will usually have had some bad experiences and mod their set of rules in order to weed out bad employees. As a result, you will be in the know and your materials will rarely be stolen. However, you should expect a few breakages here and there if you are working with a shoddy office cleaning company that does not know their job. Taking the right precautions to choose the best companies shields you from falling into the trap of thieves and robbers who will masquerade as cleaners and sweep out all the trash and a couple of things more. Always ask to see or know whether the cleaning company has been insured and whether they can be held liable for the damages that may take place while they are work. Setting an office cleaning budget. Last but not least, consider looking for an office cleaning company that will fit with your budget needs for your business located in Wheaton, Illinois and Glen Ellen, Illinois. In case of weekly cleaning shifts, ensure that the company is properly staffed to handle the workload, since you will need to use the office come the beginning of the new week. This way, you get optimal cleaning services at affordable costs done by highly trained cleaning professionals who will not disappoint. Thank you.